How to hide members in Telegram channels. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up Telegram on your screen first. And once you do that, what you can do is head over to the channel that you would like to hide the members from. After that, you may tap on the channel's name at the top. And then from here, you may tap on the pen icon at the top. And from here, you may select the option called Administrators from the given options. After selecting Administrator, here you will be finding all of the members, including Add Admin option at the top. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, use the search bar at the top and type in Members Admin and type in Members Hider. After that, tap on that bot, and here tap on this Manage Live Streams and disable it. After that, tap on the right at the top. Once the admin is added, that bot is added, what you can do is, if you have any members, you can go ahead and tap on that members, and we will be having a hide option. You can just go ahead and tap on that option in order to hide members from your Telegram channel. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials for more videos.